Let's shift our focus to the presidential petition, and the Jubilee team has put together what sources are calling a comprehensive response to Raila Odinga's challenge at the Supreme Court. Uhuru Kenyatta and William Ruto's lawyers are expected to file their responses within the next 1 hour at the Supreme Court. That story is coming your way in just a few minutes. But for now, Eric Njoka takes a look at the men who will be representing the different parties in this particular petition. Eric.
That's right, Linda. And the Coalition for Reforms and Democracy has named a battery of lawyers who will seek to overturn Uhuru Kenyatta's victory at the Supreme Court. They face an equally determined adversary. Tonight we take a look at the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, which has gone for a top law firm to represent it in the presidential petition. And the lawyers include, let's first take a look, Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi, a commissioner with the Judicial Service Commission, JSC, and is one of the celebrated lawyers in Kenya, having started his journey in law back in 1993. He undertook various consultancies for the World Bank, the United Nations agencies, state corporations, NGOs, and the government of Kenya in complex and wide-ranging legal matters, and sits on the board of a number of major companies in Kenya. He was the lead counsel for the office of the president in the Waki Commission investigating the 2007-2008 post-election violence in Kenya. Next up, Paul Nyamodi is one of the lawyers in a pool that has been representing the IEBC in various petitions. He is involved in civil litigation. Also in the lineup is Aurelio Rebello. He is a seasoned lawyer and a politician as well. He is the CEO of his firm, Aurelio Rebello Advocates. Rebello has been involved in many criminal and civil matters. Politically, he contested the Westlands constituency seat in 2007, but did not make it. Next up, Nani Mungai is also one of the top lawyers contracted by the IEBC to handle its legal work, especially court matters and petitions. He is a senior partner in the MMC Africa Advocates. He is a member of the International Commission of Jurists, ICJ Kenya. Next up is Kamau Karori. He was admitted as an advocate back in 1996. He is a partner at the Iseme, Kamau and Maema Advocates in charge of the litigation department. Karori has been involved in various high-profile commercial disputes and is one of the lawyers who work occasionally for the IEBC. He is a member of the Chartered Institute of Arbitrators and a certified public secretary. Peter Kemani Mohoro is also one of the lawyers in the pool that has been representing the IEBC in various petitions. He is known for representing the IEBC in a case filed by a lobby group seeking orders to compel IEBC register inmates to vote in the just concluded 2013 polls. Now, it is important to mention that lawyer Mohamed Nyaoga has joined the bandwagon of advocates representing IEBC. Nyaoga is the managing partner of Mohamed Mungai Advocates, the law firm he co-owns with Attorney General Githu Muigai. Meanwhile, the court has until the end of next week to hear and determine the petition. I take you back to Linda Ogutu.